Hi, good morning. Have a wonderful and fruitful day. Oh, let us thank the Lord, for He is good, His love endures forever. Let me share to you today the words of wisdom. This is a divine wisdom from the book of Proverbs, because I believe with all my heart that a Proverbs a day keeps the fools away. So listen, my friend, and learn this powerful principle for life. It says in Proverbs chapter 11, verse 30, the fruit of the righteous is a tree of life, and he who wins souls is wise. My friend, learn the value of winning souls for Christ. Let me ask you a question. When is the last time you win souls for Jesus Christ? You save or rescue even one souls in your life, in your lifetime, because there is value of winning souls for the Lord Jesus Christ, for eternal destiny of that one souls. And it is God's heartbeat. It is the mission of the Lord Jesus Christ to seek and to save the lost, and that should be our mission in life as a follower of Jesus Christ. So that's a friendly reminder, my brothers and sisters, and I declare to all of you, shalom, shalom, peace and grace to you, and multiply to everyone. God bless you more.